My mother-in-law suggested a very big native doctor from Umumba. She said the man served the great Perikome, and he even traveled to India to acquire more powers. The man is known for chaining stubborn spirits, no matter how strong they are. And she even have the connection to bring the man here to perform the ritual.
Osita, I mean, when are we going to meet this connector that will bring this native doctor to us? Eh? When are we going to meet the connector that will bring the native doctor to us? See, we don't have time. We don't have much time and we're wasting much time.
Chet, I know there's a fee involved. She will call the man this evening. At least we can meet the man as early as tomorrow morning.
Please let him do. Let us meet him. At least let's try and connect us to the connector so that all these connections will be perfect. Yeah?
I trust the woman. Nothing will happen. Don't worry.
2 million naira for a start, because to see Obokri, one must go with not less than 10 cows, worth about 200,000 naira each. Obokri is not a small medicine man. He deals with senators, governors, and even the president. Any case he cannot solve must then wait till judgment day. And apart from the 2 million naira, you must put him in a 5-star hotel.
Please, sir. We have really suffered. Our business is suffering because of our predicament. So, what I want to be certain about is that, please, sir, if we raise this 2 million naira, if by any means we try to raise this 2 million naira and bring it to Obokri, sir, will our problems be over? I mean, will everything be over?
Your problems will be solved. Obokri, handle the case of Anene, Otokoto, Otondo, and the other notorious cases. And everything was solved. So, don't even wake an eye over it. Your problems will be over and over forever.
Thank you very much, sir. We appreciate your advice. My mother-in-law told us everything about you and how difficult it is to meet you. Not to talk of Obokri. One thing I'm assuring you is this. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll raise the 2 million and we'll bring it to you.
We'll try. We'll try. 2 million.
Has things gone that bad? Eh? So bad that you want to sell off your warehouse at that amount you just mentioned.
Obina, just buy off the property and give me the money I ask for. You yourself should understand that whatever chases a rat into a fire is hotter than the fire. Huh? I am so happy that you're the one buying this property. I'm very happy. You see, I am so happy. I am so happy that you're the one buying this property. I'm very happy.
But this is serious, sir. This is very serious.
Obina, everything will be alright. It's another level by level in life. Don't worry, you enjoy the place. I've already told my security and the rest that they will work for you.
It's okay. What are friends for? Let's go.
But you...
I know how much this land is worth. And I also know what I discussed with Chief.
Forget what Chief is willing to pay you. It's what I will pay you. Are you willing to collect the cash or not?
See you, Mr. Meka. Look at this land. This is 2 acres.
My guy.
Okay, it's alright, no problem. So how do we do it? We're going straight to the bank for Chief to commence the payment. You're gonna call him up or something?
Okay, no, I'll call him. Can we?
Is it right? The stuff is this. Is it from that Iroko tree?
Yeah.
Down to the other one you sent. That's where the land is.
No problem.
I have my beacons everywhere.
No, Allah. Can we?
Yeah.
Did you see my love?
This madman, carry this road down so that the madness will reduce. Come along, Kena.
You are very stupid. You are mad. In fact, you dey crazy. How do you think I can bring down this load? See, let me tell you. The only person that can bring down this load is my love. My heart. My love. See, let me tell you, my love is busy. Going around the whole village, going around the whole places, looking for solution where there is no solution. Forgetting that he should come and meet me. We will put our hands together and bring down this load, and his problem will end.
Your love. Onyala na love. Which means this your madness will continue. 40 years deep madness. Onyala na love. Love.
Caterpillar, what a idiot. You didn't see my love and you didn't see my love and you are talking rubbish. My love. My love.